With over 25 years experience in developing premium CNC bits, Freud creates precise yet durable CNC bits that deliver superior quality results and maximum performance. Each CNC bit is carefully crafted using the best materials, leading innovative designs, and the most sophisticated manufacturing process. The level of precision that goes into each CNC bit is unprecedented in the industry. Freud owns and operates the most innovative and technologically advanced manufacturing and product development facilities in the world, thus consistently delivering the highest quality, most advanced products in the industry. Freud is the industry leader in CNC bits, with its unique features that extend the bit's life while enhancing its performance, with over 400 unique profiles and sizes, including lines from small format CNC to the largest machines in the world. Freud is the only manufacturer in the world that specializes in carbide manufacturing, giving Freud the unique ability to formulate each bit for maximum quality in specific applications, thereby maximizing the cutting life and performance of the tool. Our ultra-sharp cutting edges and precision ground geometries are exceptionally accurate and true, delivering superior quality finishes in a wide range of materials. Freud's open flute geometry allows for maximum chip evacuation, reducing heat and providing a cleaner work environment when working in conjunction with a dust collector. Polished flute geometries create superior chip evacuation, minimizing chip re-welding at the work surface, which decreases heat for longer life and exceptional finish. Freud's Perma-Shield non-stick coating provides the industry's first non-stick coating that reduces gumming, friction and heat buildup. And Black I.C.E, the industry's first functional coating, protects the carbide cutting edges by creating a slick, lubricant-like action for a cool cutting edge and superior chip evacuation, delivering exceptionally long life. On top of improved speed, manufacturing accuracy and productivity, Black I.C.E provides 2 times the performance and 2 times the life when compared to uncoated bits on the market. Freud continues to innovate and manufacture best in the world application-specific CNC bits to deliver exceptional value and more cuts for any user of any size in any market.